Here's how to merge photos on iPhone without using any apps. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap Search Action. Search for Select Photos and tap it. Tap the arrow icon and expand the options. Enable Select Multiple. Set the filter to Images Only. Tap Search Action again. Search for Combine Images and select it. Change horizontally to Ask Each Time. Add another action. Search for Save to Photos. Now tap the play button to test the shortcut. Select photos from your gallery. Choose the layout mode. You'll see a preview of the merged photo below. You can also find the final image in your gallery. Now let's improve it by adding a border option. Search for Set Variable. Move it under Select Photos and name the variable. Then assign this variable inside Combine Images. Search for Ask for Input. Place it above Combine Images and set it to Number. Search for Set Variable again and place it under Ask for Input. Assign the input as a new variable. I'll name it Border. Expand Combine Images and set spacing to the border variable. Now run the shortcut and select your photos. Enter a number for the border. I'll type 100. Then choose the layout. You'll see the merged photo preview. It will also be saved to your gallery. Before exiting, don't forget to name your shortcut.